Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll go over how to stop Telegram from accessing your contacts. Whether you value privacy or simply prefer to manage connections manually, this method will help you take complete control of who you share your information with. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage permissions for every app installed on your device. Take a moment to locate it, usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. On some phones, this section might be called App Management or Application Manager. It's the same thing, just a slightly different name depending on your phone's brand or Android version. Now, in the list of your installed apps, look for Telegram. Once you find it, tap to open its app settings. This is where you can manage everything related to Telegram: its storage usage, data, notifications, and most importantly, its permissions. Inside Telegram's settings page, find the option labeled Permissions. This section controls what features and data the app is allowed to use on your phone. You might see things like camera, microphone, location, and contacts. Go ahead and tap on Contacts. Then, choose the option that says Don't Allow. By doing this, you're telling your phone to block Telegram from reading or syncing your contact list. Once that's set, you've successfully disabled contact access for Telegram. From now on, the app won't automatically import or suggest people from your phone's contacts. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this exact menu and switch the setting back to Allow. Taking these simple steps helps protect your privacy and keeps more control in your hands. It's quick, easy, and gives you peace of mind knowing that your personal contact list stays exactly where it should, on your device and not in any app's cloud. Thanks for watching.